Drones are everywhere. You see them buzzing around, taking pictures, and even delivering packages. But how do these amazing machines actually work? It's simpler than you might think. Let's break down the science behind drones and see what makes them tick. These aren't just toys. Drones are becoming important tools. They can help us in search and rescue, inspect bridges, and even film movies. Understanding how they work is important. It helps us appreciate their capabilities. It also lets us imagine what they might do in the future. So buckle up, we're about to take a fascinating journey into the world of drones. Think of a drone like a bird. It has wings, a body, and a brain. But instead of feathers and bones, it has motors, propellers, and a flight controller. The motors power the propellers, which spin to create lift, just like a helicopter. The battery provides the energy for the motors to run. Without it, our drone would be grounded. Drones also have sensors. These act like their senses, providing information about their surroundings. Cameras capture images and videos, while GPS helps them navigate. All these components work together to make the drone fly. It's a beautiful example of engineering. Have you ever wondered how drones stay so stable in the air? The answer lies in tiny but mighty devices called gyroscopes and accelerometers. Gyroscopes measure the drone's rotation. They tell the flight controller if the drone is tilting left or right, forward or backward. Accelerometers measure the drone's acceleration or how its speed is changing. This information is constantly fed to the flight controller, the drone's brain. The flight controller then adjusts the speed of each motor individually. This constant adjustment keeps the drone balanced and flying smoothly. It's like a tightrope walker making tiny adjustments to stay upright. Section 4, taking control. Now, how do we tell the drone where to go? That's where remote controls and mobile apps come in. They allow us to communicate with the drone wirelessly. We use the controls to tell the drone to go up or down, left or right, forward or backward. The drone receives these commands and adjusts its flight path accordingly. GPS plays a crucial role in navigation. It allows the drone to know its exact location. We can even program waypoints and the drone will fly autonomously between them. It's like having a tiny pilot on board following our instructions. Section 5, sensing the world. Drones don't have eyes, but they have sensors that help them see their surroundings. These sensors are essential for avoiding obstacles and navigating safely. Ultrasonic sensors measure distance by emitting sound waves and detecting the echoes. Infrared sensors detect heat signatures, which can help identify objects in the dark. Some drones even have cameras with advanced computer vision. This allows them to see and understand their environment in 3 dimensions. By processing the data from these sensors, the drone can create a map of its surroundings and avoid collisions. It's like having a tiny co-pilot, always on the lookout for danger. Section 6, powering the flight. Just like our phones and laptops, drones rely on batteries for power. The battery life determines how long a drone can stay airborne. Larger batteries provide more power but make the drone heavier. Smaller batteries are lighter but offer shorter flight times. It's all about finding the right balance. Currently, most drones have a flight time of 20 to 30 minutes. However, battery technology is constantly improving. In the future, we can expect drones to fly for much longer. Imagine drones that can stay airborne for hours, performing tasks that were previously impossible. Section 7. The future is flying. Drones have come a long way in a short time. What started as a niche hobby has become a global phenomenon, and this is just the beginning. As technology advances, drones are becoming more powerful, versatile, and affordable. They are already being used in countless fields, from agriculture to filmmaking. Imagine a future where drones deliver our packages, inspect our infrastructure, and even help us respond to emergencies. The possibilities are truly endless. As we continue to innovate, the sky's the limit for what drones can achieve. So keep your eyes on the skies because the future is flying.